If you're looking for the most premium cinematic projector experience in 2025, the StreamMaster Plus2 is the ultimate pick. I got this directly from Amazon, and if you're planning to buy it too, check the link in the description for the best price and any available discount coupons. Design-wise, it's sleek, compact, and blends well into any setup, whether mounted or placed on a table. Let's get straight to it. The picture quality is mind-blowing. With triple laser technology and native 4K resolution, every frame feels alive, bright, vibrant, and ultra-detailed. The HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support take color depth and contrast to the next level, making a perfect choice for home theater lovers. Equipped with a triple RGB laser light source, the StreamMaster Plus2 delivers a native 4K resolution that brings images to life with remarkable clarity and vibrancy. Users have reported seeing details they've never noticed before, such as the intricate stitching on characters' clothing or the subtle textures in animated films. The projector covers 110% of the BT Point 2020 color space, ensuring a wide and accurate color gamut that rivals OLED displays. Its brightness, rated at 2000 lumens, allows for versatile viewing in various lighting conditions without compromising picture quality. The projector's AI 9618 chipset, coupled with 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM, ensures swift operation and seamless multitasking. Transitioning between different settings or modes is instantaneous, eliminating the typical black screens or pauses that can disrupt the viewing experience. This responsiveness is particularly beneficial when adjusting settings like judder and blur reduction to achieve a desired cinematic effect. Gaming on this projector is a treat. Thanks to its 4 milliseconds ultra-low latency and 2x faster performance, you get a lag-free gaming experience, whether on console or PC. Add an IMAX certification, and you're essentially getting a mini cinema at home. Smart features are top tier. It runs Google TV smoothly and supports both Google Home and Apple Homekit, giving you total voice control and a fully connected smart home feel. The AI-enhanced image processing also auto-optimizes every scene in real time. Audio-wise, it's equipped with Dolby Atmos, delivering immersive sound that fills a room. For those who want serious audio output, it still pairs easily with external speakers via Bluetooth or HDMI ARC. Running on Google TV, the StreamMaster Plus2 offers a user-friendly interface with access to a plethora of streaming services. Its compatibility with Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Amazon Alexa allows for seamless integration into smart home ecosystems, enabling voice control and automation for an enhanced user experience. Overall, the StreamMaster Plus2 isn't just a projector, it's a full entertainment powerhouse. If you want 4K, gaming, laser brightness, and smart features all in one unit, this is easily one of the best choices in 2025. Check the Amazon link in the description for the latest price and offers.